Here's the finished product of the $300 snowmobile I picked up. Done a lot of work to this one. My wife is so talented. Tonight made these stickers on the Cricut machine, which turned out great. They're pretty much a perfect match. Get the vents painted up in the hood. Everything cleaned up. New seat cover, new gas gauge, new key switch, new tether. Put the bulb in the speedometer. Get the indicator all cleaned up. This looks great. Turned out really good. Give you a little view under the hood here if everything's done. The last thing I need to do is get a battery for the electric start. But I'll pick one of them up this week. So up bright and early this morning. Put new fuel lines down on these snowmobiles. The fuel pump is underneath the engine, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but it took a couple hours to get the fuel lines in. Some new clamps for the air box. One of these boots is torn, so I used some of the E6000 stuff. It's really good. New fuel filter lines. Yeah, it looks great. I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. Seat cover turned out good. I got this off of this was off of eBay. This seat cover here, the foam wasn't perfect underneath, but I think it's 30 some years old, so yeah, that turned out good. We'll give our start for you fellas. I don't think it should need prime. So that's pretty much a wrap on this one. It's all fixed up and ready to enjoy in the snow this winter. Hope you guys liked my videos here of getting this one finished and fixed up. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. That would be great. Maybe someday I'll make it to 1,000 subscribers. It would be awesome. Anyways, everyone take care.